Welcome to Rover YouTube channel. So today I have newly created project management web app. So this is a sample web app to develop project management purpose. So you can develop this application further. So this is only a model. I will explain you step by step process how to use this web app for your project related task. Before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe Rover YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Okay, let's go to the video. So this is the interface of my web app, and this is the backend database. So this project is totally based on Google Sheet and AppScript. So therefore, you don't want to pay any price for this one. This is totally free. So if you want to download this web app, or if you want to get the source code, please follow the download link mentioned in the video description. So I will show you how to operate this project management web app. So here you can see the record ID part is auto-generated. So there you don't want to add any manual entry. So here I am going to enter some sample data. So this one here you see you need to select institute. So here we have drop down. There you can select the relevant institute. So this combo box is linked to the settings sheet B column. So whenever you update column B, it goes to, or it loads the this combo box. So there you can select the date. So we have a date control. So you can select the relevant date here, and you can enter the program name like this. Then here we have another combo box to select main category. So here there are several categories. We can choose one of them. Then this combo box also linked to the backend Google Sheet settings sheet. So there you can add more categories, or you can delete existing one. So accordingly the UI combo box updates. Now here you can add the money received like this. Now this is the, here you need to add money spent like this. Then here you can describe your main task, and there you can select out, or you can type add outcomes. Other important thing is here you can add images, okay, of your project. To add images, what you should do is you need to click on this, then you can add images. You need to select images. Okay, here I am going to select this image, then click open. So the other thing is that image resize, okay, to save the space, okay, using this program. So this images saved to this folder of the Google Drive. So there we have add this unique ID, therefore folder ID. So all the images you add, selected to add, save to the specific folder. Now if I want to add another image, again click here, then you need to select the relevant image file, then open. So once you add your image file, you need to click this upload button, then it shows you the way it uploads. Yeah, now I want to upload the second image, again click this upload button. Yeah, now both files are uploaded. Then here you can add additional note under this remarks text box. So now we finished our work. This details to backend Google Sheet. You need to click on the save record. So once you click the save button, what happens? Relevant record update to the grid here like this. Okay, you can see the relevant record. So if you want to view this specific report, you need to click this small eye icon. Then you can see or view individual records like this. So if you want to edit record, then you need to click on this pencil icon. So after that, you can make any update. Then again, you need to click update records. Then you see record has updated. Now if you want to delete any specific record, you would need to click this icon. Then record deletes from your backend and the grid. So we have refresh button and clear form button, and also you can export specific record to PDF. We have search bar also. Here you can here you can search any record using this search text box. So I am going to add another record. You see now we have 2 records in our grid. So if you here you can search any record. So like this, you can search any record. On the other hand, I'll show you how to export records to PDF. You need to click this. You need to click on this export PDF. Once you click on this export PDF, you can see our record has successfully exported to PDF. So like that, this project management simple web app is very important and also very useful for your day-to-day official project works. So if you want to get this web app, the template and source codes, please use the download link mentioned in the video description. Now if I go to backend, you can see I have successfully updated backend like this. So that is it for today. Please do not forget to subscribe and share our videos, and let's meet with another new video like this one. Thanks for watching.